Okay, team, this is a short tutorial on how to play music while you're Zooming. So the first thing you probably want to do is go ahead and go to your music platform, whether that's iTunes or Spotify, even a YouTube playlist, whatever you're going to use to play your music. You're going to log in. So I just logged into Spotify. Find your playlist. Okay. Just have some random stuff going on here. So we will play that. All right, one thing that you want to think about is adjusting the volume from your platform. So if you look at the bottom left of the screen where my mouse is circling, this is the volume of Spotify itself. And I would suggest you put it maybe a third of the way through the volume. The music's going to be a lot louder to the participants than it is to you. If you adjust, see how I move my mouse down here? If you adjust the actual speaker volume of your computer, that's only sound that you're going to hear. So that does not adjust anything for the participants. So put it on about a third of the way. Okay. And I'm just going to turn that off so you guys can hear me. Once you have that going, you'll actually go to Zoom. So I'm here at the Zoom icon. You'll open it up. You'll sign in if you need to, hopefully not. If you do have to sign in, remember our username and password that we gave you. You'll find your class over here. I'm just gonna use Silver Sneakers Yoga. You'll start your class. You'll join with your computer audio, which should be your Bluetooth. So if you're going to use music from the computer, you will also need to use your Bluetooth headset. Otherwise, your voice is going to be really low and the music's going to be really high. It's not going to be a good situation. So if you need help with Bluetooth, you can ask us, and I'll also have another tutorial for that. Okay, so we're in the Zoom class here. This little green button right here that says share screen, you're actually going to press the button, not the caret, but the actual button. It's going to bring up some options right here, basic, advanced, or files. Pick advanced. And then one of the options will say music or computer sound only. So you press that. So it's blue, it's highlighted. And then I'm going to press share. So now the music from your platform is going to be shared while you teach your class. Now Zoom has an automatic setting to which your voice takes precedence over everything else. So it will automatically either decrease the music or stop the music anytime that you're talking. So you're not competing with the sound. You'll also see up here in the top center of the screen, you'll get this little notification. You are sharing computer sound. So that's how you know that that is working. All right, I think that's it. If you ever need to stop sharing the music, you can press the stop button here. If anybody lets you know that there's a volume problem or anything like that, feel free to try that. If you want to log in and Zoom with me and practice sometime not during a class, we can do that as well. All right, bye. I don't know. What was I going to say?